Hey everybody, how are you? I actually am here with a haul from AC Moore, Tuesday Morning, and Target. And I tried to do this as a live, but I actually couldn't do it. I think my internet was horrible, and I had my granddaughter, and she was, she had me like all over the place, I think. But it's a cute video, so I'm leaving it up. So let's start with the haul. The AC Moore one, I picked that up. Isn't this a cute 12 by 12 piece of paper? I don't even know how much I paid for it, but I didn't care. Oh, there it is. 69 cents. I should have bought another one. Okay, so that was 69 cents. Then from AC Moore, there was a 3 for $5 bin. So I guess I'm in Halloween mode. These are cute little, oh, they're gems. I thought they were stickers. Oh, these are adorable. Love when you get something home and you're like, it's better than you even thought. Now these are shakers. They had them in the candy corn. I want to make sure I don't have a view, glare. And one that says boo. I can't wait to do this. I think I'm going to do a week of Halloween in August. I think I'm going to do that. I think that's going to be on my list of things to do. So, oh, and also at AC Moore, I picked these up. These are, you see what these are? Wait, let me grab it. These are from Project Life, and they are overlays. So if I had a cute piece of paper, all right, let's just take a piece of black. How cute is this overlay, right? And they come in all different ones. These were $1.50. This says high five, but you can't see that. And they're cute. It's almost like, you know, to do a window on a card. So for $1.50, I thought these were adorable. So I grabbed those. Then they had these. And these are specialty cards. And they're all stitched. Can you see the stitching in them? I love this idea. I think I'm going to have to put my sewing machine, like, look at that. Instead of gluing it, stitch it. I know Jan does that. I think Jan's Crazy Life, I think she does a lot with her sewing machine. But like, so you take, and the glue, they glue it. So you take something and you glue it, and then you run a stitch over it. Look at that. How cute. Okay, so that was my, oh, did I get, oh, and I got this. This is also AC Moore. I used my 40% off on this. So this was regularly $3.99. I think I got it for $2.39. These are just cute little brads. Love them. All right, so that's one haul. Let's move on to Tuesday morning. Okay, Tuesday morning. Look at that punch. Loving it, loving it. Okay, so adding that to my punch collection. These were only 99 cents. How cute are those? I was at the beach yesterday with John, and the dragonflies kept landing on me. They were so cute, so pretty. I like dragonflies. Then look at this. This is stamps, but I loved the back on the idea of what you can make with it. Isn't that adorable? So I grabbed that. I thought that was cute. And then I was able to come up with one of the house mouses. He's on a tennis ball. How cute is he? Okay, hold on. We got more. This Tuesday morning had a lot of neat stuff. This is the first time I feel like I scored. All right. Now, grab these. These are Tim Holtz. And I wanted to see. They do. Look at that. So you cut out your favorite picture. You don't have to use this. If you have a Cricut or any one of them, or you can even trace this over a picture. I think I'm going to use these for actual photos. I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm going to mess with that. So I'll stick these all together. These are almost like my bottle cap charms, except they're in this shape. And the same thing with that. How cute are these? So I grabbed those from Tuesday morning. I thought they would be a fun craft. Okay. Ooh, let's see what else I got. Okay. Let me open this so that you can see it. Look at this. This is just a sticker. Isn't that adorable? And it's metal. I thought that was so cute. It's a camera. I really like that, so I grabbed that. Then there was some Heidi Swap stamps. I did pick up 2 of them, and I'm going to start putting a pile together because I'm going to do a giveaway again. Yeah, so I'm going to start hoarding some stuff. And then I grabbed that one. I thought that one was cute. They didn't have 2 of these, or else I would have picked one up for one of my lucky subscribers. All right, so then I picked up those nesting frames. How cute are those? And then these are embossing strips, and they say, just for you, there's a camera, celebrate, smile, thank you. So I thought these were cute. So I grabbed those, add them to my stash. And then my main score from Tuesday morning. I have wanted this paper pad since last summer when I think it came out. And I didn't feel like spending the money on it. So it was at Tuesday morning for $5.99 and I got it. Look at how cute these are. And I had this is the sticker pack. Look at how cute these are. Because last year when this paper pad came out, it was our 25th wedding anniversary and I thought I would make us a book. But I never picked up the paper. But now I have it. How cute. So I see a book in my future. Look at how cute. Yeah, so I've wanted this for a year. Love it. Oh, and there's more stickers. So this was my favorite score at Tuesday morning today. Favorite score. Huh. Where'd those stickers come from? Then I'm going to show you. I have to go back to the AC Moore. I forgot to show you this. You see that? This I think was regularly $18. John scored it for $3. Look at that. He wants to put this on top of our mailbox. Isn't it adorable? He's going to paint it red to match our truck. All right. Then on to Target. Oh, look, I didn't see those. I'm all over the place with this haul. All right. Target had some Disney stuff. 50% off. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Ziploc bags with Mickey. I don't remember how much this was. I don't know where my Target receipt is. I don't remember. Okay, this is my favorite. Look, $2.48. Is this not the cutest? Wait, gotta open it. Look at him. Look at those boxes. I think I'm gonna leave it wrapped like that. But look. Isn't that adorable? Look at that face. Okay, so that I had to pick that up. Then the beach ball was $2. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay, Amy, if you're watching, this next thing is your fault. And I say that endearing. Look what I picked up. Isn't that adorable? I want to try my hand at it. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. Amy sent me one of these. Amy, from Amy and Chrislyn. So I want to try to make my own. And then, what else we got? Okay, this is all Target. Believe it or not, look at these buttons. $2.50. Look at that mouse. Aren't these adorable? Grab those. And then, look at that. How sweet is that? I don't know if I'll use them, or I might just have to save them. But that's it for my haul. I have nothing else left. All right, everybody, thanks for watching, and I will see you all real soon.